As if I didn't have enough in my hands, one Mk2 Escort project, and yes, there's the X-Pack still there. Got a phone call tonight from the motorsport fabrication man to say that he was ready to take it, so it's being brought down to Grattan Motorsport over in Lochbrickland for full works, for basically full Group 4. Floor pans and stuff are getting done in there as well. I had done a bit of work on the car before myself, but I'm not happy with it. Previous repairs and stuff underneath the floor pan, in along here, stuff, there's holes in the back of her. I'm just not happy. So for all the price of a new floor pan, it's going under. As you can see, I have the car already braced, ready to take the floor pan out of it, but since I got the phone call, I'm going to let him do it. Yeah, plans for this are to fire an ST170 on ITBs. I have a link monsoon dash for it, the EM MSX Strata dash. The rear of it is all getting 6-linked, front of it's getting coilovers. Basically will be a road going rally car. I've always wanted one since I was a child, so it's time to act upon that. I picked this car up maybe 2 years ago now with great aspirations that it would be done by now, but life sort of gets in the way of these things. So yeah, stay posted. There will be updates in the future. Unsure as to how quick they will be, but we'll keep you posted on everything as it happens. Yeah. Just in case you missed it already, it's already up in another video, but here's a recap of just the Mk2 Escort bits from that video, just to show you what exactly is the plan for the car and what's coming up to keep you interested. Many thanks to Clint and Ethan over at Brands Hatch Performance who have made this loom from scratch for me. It's for the Escort, which is going to be running an ST170 on throttle bodies. It's a very, very tidy job they've made of it. This comes with everything labelled, exactly where to go, which should make my life a lot easier. Now then, if you can see that, it's a link monsoon. Which I believe has come pre-mapped for the engine, so it should just be a matter of plugging it in and hopefully it'll start up on a base map enough to get it rolling roaded. Very nice little unit this actually. Now then, this next box has been debated for quite a while, but I just couldn't resist. It's the MSX 1.2 Strata dashboard, road legal. Comes with the GPS speedo, so I don't have to bother running that speedo cable. This is probably the bit I'm most excited about, to be fair. Bring the Escort into the 21st century. You actually get the box open. Oh yes. Look at that. It appears you can put a mirror camera into the back of it too, which could be handy. It was a little bit more expensive with the GPS module in it, but I think it'll be worth it for the extra capabilities. You can do your data logging and everything through it as well. It does everything. It does your full beam indication, your indicators, fuel light, the oil pressure. You can configure it into different screens, put your oil pressure onto it. The lap timer on it, rev counter, everything the dashboard in a modern car should do that definitely does not do in a 1979 Mk2 Escort. Next, that's the GPS module I previously talked about. Seems to be just a wee stick-on aerial basically. And this is the wee bracket that the dashboard mounts to. Now then, ooh. Yes. Look at these. These, I believe, are the Weber Alpha throttle bodies, and they come with a Hypercross air filter. Well, it says Alpha Performance on it, but looks very similar to the Hypercross PX600. So this should fit and sit very nicely in the Mk2 engine bay. Hopefully, whenever the Capri is off to paint, I'll be trial fitting this lot into the Escort engine bay, and I'll give you an idea of how the finished product is going to look. Anything else in here? Nope, that's it. So, just to recap, the Escort is getting 5-linked, 6-linked actually. It's getting wide tarmac arches, it's getting all the Group 4 toys, ST170 throttle bodies, keeping the VVT because the Link Monsoon can control it. I believe the Link Monsoon is a variable VVT as well, it's not just a on-off switch like many other ECUs. And yeah, it should be fun. Was something to keep us all looking forward to after the Capri's done. So as soon as the Capri's done, doesn't end there, there's another full project or 3 to do after that. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you like what you're seeing, please share, please subscribe, and yeah, thank you.